Welcome to the channel. Today, we're answering 10 of the most important questions about the solar system. Questions that will help you understand how everything around us in space truly works. Question number 1. What is the solar system? The solar system is our cosmic family. The sun at the center, surrounded by 8 planets, dozens of moons, asteroids, comets, and dust, all held together by the sun's powerful gravity. Question number 2. How did the solar system form? It formed around 4.6 billion years ago from a huge cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. Gravity pulled most of that material together to form the sun, and the leftovers became planets, moons, and other bodies. Question number 3. Why do planets orbit the sun? Because of gravity. The sun contains 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. Its gravity is so strong that it keeps every planet locked in orbit around it. Question number 4. Why are some planets small and rocky, while others are giant and gaseous? Planets close to the sun lost their light gases due to heat. That's why Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are rocky. Farther away, it was cold enough for gases to stay, forming giants like Jupiter and Saturn. Question number 5. Is the sun a big star? Actually, it's a medium-sized star. It's much bigger than many stars, but far smaller than the massive red or blue giants. It only feels huge because it's so close to us. Question number 6. Why does every planet have a different year length? A planet's year depends on how long it takes to orbit the sun. The closer it is, the faster it moves. So Mercury's year is just 88 days, while Neptune's year lasts 165 Earth years. Question number 7. Is there life anywhere in our solar system? So far, no confirmed evidence. But scientists believe that Europa, a moon of Jupiter, Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, and Mars could possibly host life beneath their surfaces. Question number 8. What is the largest planet? Jupiter, the king of the planets. It's so massive that it could fit more than 1,300 Earths inside it. Question number 9. Why does Saturn have rings? Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock pieces left over from moons that broke apart. Other planets like Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune have rings too, but Saturn's are the biggest and brightest. Question number 10. Will the solar system change in the future? Yes. In about 5 billion years, the sun will expand into a red giant, possibly swallowing Mercury and Venus, maybe even Earth, before shrinking into a small white dwarf. The solar system is always changing, and we're just one small part of it. Which question about space do you want us to answer next? Write it in the comments, and see you in the next episode.